Hello friends, welcome to Fimes Tech. This is Vivo Y11 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a slow motion video in your phone Vivo Y11. First of all, open camera in your phone. Click here for camera and here click on videos. Now click this icon and here select SLOMO. Now record your video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. Now stop the video and play the video that you took. Yes, this is the video. And see the action. Action is very slow now. See the slow action. So in this way you can easily take a slow motion video in your phone Vivo Y11. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.